What's going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. Welcome back to another video. This is KT Auto. Today's video, we're going to be working on the truck yet again. I think I want to make this into a build series. Let me know what you guys think about that. It's literally the only vehicle I have to work on to push content out. So I'm kind of almost certain that's what it's going to end up being. Let me know what you guys think about that in the comments down below. But on another note, today we are going to be doing the upper control arm alignment pins and cams. Finally. I know it's been a long time coming. So we're finally gonna get that done. I have a welder coming in later today. So I have to go ahead, take everything out, get it set up, get the pins installed, make sure they're in there good, clean up the area. I bought a Dremel, let's see, from Harbor Freight. So hopefully that works out well. We will see. I've never used one before, but I think it's gonna be basic science. It's okay. But without further ado, let's jump into the video. All right, guys, so I went ahead, I got the wheels off. We're gonna go ahead and start tackling this. If you guys don't know why I'm doing this, I'm gonna go ahead and show you. If you're new to the channel, you probably don't know why. If you guys already know why, you can go ahead and skip this and get into the video. But if you're new, I'm gonna go ahead and show you. All right, guys, so you can see right here, this little pin, it's literally poking out right there. That is why we're replacing this. It's literally not lined up. It's not in there properly. So that's why we're gonna be replacing that. I am replacing them on both sides. So I'm gonna be replacing the hardware, the cams, the pins, everything. So the bolts that are in there, not gonna be reused, nothing like that. So I've got the bolts, washers. I've got the little alignment cams and the pins. What I literally forgot when I was supposed to do them maybe a video or two ago. This is what I needed, and I forgot it. So now we're gonna get it done today. We're gonna have the water come out, get it done. Let's go ahead and jump into it. Well, 3 out of 4 are out. I gotta figure out how to get this one out. I'm just gonna try to hit this thing with the hammer. See what that does. It came out. All right, those are out. Let me clean this up and then test fit the new ones. All right, guys, so I went ahead, sanded everything down, got it to basically bare metal. I already test fitted one of the pins. I'm gonna go ahead and push it in now. I've been doing research on YouTube. That's how I learned everything. So I've seen a lot of guys use some vice grips and a socket to punch it in. So I'm hoping this is how it will work. Realistically, if these things all go in, they seem pretty flush and solid. I don't see why I would need to weld them in. I only am choosing the route to weld them in because that's what a lot of people say, was that basically they didn't really fit snug enough, so they went ahead and welded theirs in on top of that. So we'll see how this works out for me, and hey, if I can save myself a couple bucks before this guy comes over, I'd love that. So let's go ahead and see. You can see that it's kind of sticking out a little bit here on this side, but it's all the way through over there. So it's not all the way flush though. So I'm gonna get it in there. Let's see how that looks. I think I got it in there pretty well. I mean, I think that's good enough for what I need it for. It's actually in there pretty good though, I won't lie. I don't think that thing's going anywhere. But we'll still just put a couple wheels on it. Maybe just I'll have them do a couple of tack wheels or something like that. Nothing too crazy. All right, guys. So the welder came and left. I already kind of mocked this up, but I want to show you guys before I fully put it in. This is how they came out. Not too bad. They're not going to end up hitting the control arm, so I'm happy with it. These things should not go anywhere at all. I really hope not. So when I take this to go get an alignment, they better not tell me something's wrong with these things, because these things are rock solid in there. Very rock solid in there. So when it comes to just adjusting these or anything, I honestly don't feel like taking the time to tweak it and measure and all that stuff. So I'm just putting these in however they line up. And then this will be up to the alignment shop to figure out how to get this angle and all that stuff correct. I'm just doing this. They can do the rest. Fucked up. Forgot to spray it. So I gotta take it back out. So here's an update. It's late at night. I think it's like 9 or 10 o'clock by now. This side right here gave me a lot of trouble. I don't know why. I had to end up taking out the axle, taking out the shocks just to get the upper control arms to go into the spindle. That took like 3 hours, including a break, because I was gonna spaz out, I'm not gonna lie. But here it is. This is how it looks now. You can see this side isn't too bad, but this side, you can literally tell that it's kind of tilting that way at the top a little bit. So we need an alignment like really bad. I'm sure this thing probably drives terrible. I don't even think I'm going to drive it like this. I'm probably just going to tow it to an alignment shop. I don't even want to deal with whatever that's going to cause. Whatever struggles that's going to cause, I don't want to deal with it. So I'm going to go ahead, torque the lug nuts down, bring the truck out. We're going to call it a night. All right, guys, so it is the next morning. I finished up the truck. Everything is done. It's good. I sent it off to a shop to get the wheel alignment and the lower control arms done. So hopefully in our next video, we're moving on to something different, cosmetically maybe. We'll see. I don't know yet. In the meantime, I really appreciate if you guys went ahead and dropped down in the comments. What do you guys expect out of this? What do you guys want to see from this truck? This is my first time honestly building anything, so I don't know exactly what direction I want to go on or even what I'm doing. So any brainstorms that you guys have, drop them down. I'm willing to listen to honestly almost anything and everything. So with that being said, go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. I'm out.